All right. Hi, my name is Michael. Michael Mark from Inteliports.
Michael,
Yeah.
there's something wrong with this octocopter. You haven't fitted the wrong size props on the outside. I'm very interested that you've made this machine like this. Can you explain the efficiencies of that to me?
Yeah, so basically this is like a novel concept that we made in our company where we are trying to develop new motors. This basically the design is supposed to fit our new motors, which are supposed to be more efficient, where when there's higher payload, our motors become more and more efficient, and hence we can generate more thrust and stuff like that. So basically the whole point is we're supposed to exploit this new motor where these two motors here act as boost motors, where they generate a lot of most of the lift and the thrust, while these four smaller props, they're supposed to guide the drone so that we can do much more precise movements.
Okay, and you don't get a lot of, I said octocopter tonight, it's a hectocopter.
Yeah.
But so when it's forward flight like this, is it really becoming a bicopter?
Sorry, say again?
Is it really becoming a bicopter? Are these doing less and less work?
That's a very good question. I think, yeah, it acts more like a quadcopter in some sense because these all become like, yeah, literally they're just lifting, and these four are just more like controlling. Yeah, so it's just more like quadcopter. You're right, yeah.
Yeah, it's the first time I've ever seen it. It's fantastic. Now, what's the payload are we talking here?
So this drone can lift up to 20 kilogram payload, but as we say, we are developing new motors. We're trying to, create new technology. So we're possibly looking up to like 30 kilograms or even more from there. Yeah.
So 20 kilos, it's not that big for 20 kilos. And this is an automated loading bay.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So what you're seeing here is one of our part of a component of our automated system, where we have the rowers, which we made ourselves, the grippers, where we made it ourselves as well. So it's to make our whole automation process, automated loading process, much more easier and more convenient as well.
Now we're on the UK Research and Innovation stand, so what part of that are you forming?
So the innovation that we have is basically the whole system in general. It's just so new. No one has ever done this before. No one has really done rover loading up to a drone where it's fully automated with an uptime of 24 hours and stuff like that.
What sort of, I suppose I should ask, what sort of endurance does it have?
Yep. Right now, I think the drone is able to withstand, it's water resistant and sort of like, it can work in quite strong winds. But for the rovers, we are making it into more IP67 kind of a thing, where it's still water resistant and stuff like that as well.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And where are you based?
We are based at Southampton, at West End.
Southampton.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.